Flawless crystal clear coating. Achieve crystal clear, flawlessly transparent epoxy coatings with our ultra-high performance resin and hardener kit. This premium professional grade epoxy goes on smooth and dries evenly to eliminate crawling, trickling, craters and fish eyes. Custom DIY projects, artwork, surfaces, create customized works of one-of-a-kind artisan craftsmanship. Perfect for DIY projects, countertops, bar tops, tabletops, river tables, jewelry, coffee tables, arts and crafts and nearly endless creative possibilities. UV, scratch and water resistant. We're committed to the highest quality engineering and production standards. Our dedicated research and development team has meticulously perfected the East Coast resin epoxy formula for superior UV resistance, scratch resistance, and moisture resistance when compared to other industry brands. Safe and minimal odor. Surfaces coated with our premium epoxy are 100% safe for food to touch, and durably maintain their structural integrity over time without breaking down or leaching chemicals. Our odorless formula requires no mask and makes it easy to breathe and work in comfort all day long. Super easy to apply. With East Coast resin epoxy, you don't have to be a pro to achieve professional results the very first time. Our smooth coating resin and hardener kit is straightforward and easy to apply, even as a first-time novice or beginner hobbyist. Detailed instructions are included with each kit. SmartArt Epoxy by East Coast Resin is a high-performance, super gloss, crystal clear polymer that is used for coating wood, veneer, metal, stone, tabletops, painted surfaces, and many more to add a durable, strong, and shiny character to your surface. SmartArt Epoxy is the perfect go-to epoxy to achieve beautiful results on your DIY art projects while also protecting your surface from scratches and air humidity. New improved UV-resistant formula. Surfaces coated with SmartArt Epoxy are extremely durable, water-resistant and easy to care for. SmartArt Epoxy 1 gallon kit contains 2 parts, 1/2 gallon part A and 1/2 gallon part B, which are mixed together at a 1:1 ratio by volume. Working time is approximately 30 minutes. Detailed instructions are included with each kit.